Hi, I'm Taylor Goodell, an aviation specialist at Pilot John. Today, we're walking through Tronair's 3 HPU models to help you find the perfect solution for your hydraulic maintenance needs. Offering a wide variety of flow, pressure, and hydraulic fluid solutions, Tronair's A-Frame, B-Frame, and C-Frame HPUs are widely used in commercial, regional, military, business jet, and rotorcraft environments. All Tronair units are highly customizable and are found in most aircraft maintenance manuals. Let's start with the A-Frame series, an ideal choice for rotorcraft and small business aircraft. Designed with a lightweight, compact frame, it's easy for a single operator to maneuver across the hangar. This unit includes an easy access fluid sampling valve and allows selection between operation with or without the HPU reservoir, making it highly adaptable. Consider adding an hour meter, pyrometer, or a return filter for enhanced monitoring. The 51 series also offers a hand pump for manual operation, and both series can have a split system configuration for added versatility. Next up, let's take a look at the B-Frame series hydraulic power units, designed for business aircraft and rotorcraft, and built to meet global operation requirements with CE and CSA markings. Despite their increased power, B-Frame HPUs remain lightweight and easily maneuverable by a single operator. Need to move it further? The optional towing trailer package makes ramp transport a breeze. This series includes a 30-gallon stainless steel reservoir with desiccant air filtration, an easy access fluid sampling valve, and a 150 PSI return relief valve for controlled pressure management. Enhance efficiency with recommended options like an hour meter, pyrometer, electric over temperature switch, and clogged filter indicator, giving you real-time system insights to your hydraulic testing. The towing package, voltage monitor, and 100-foot input cord make it easier than ever to integrate this unit into your workflow. So we've covered A-Frame and B-Frame series, and now let's talk about the C-Frame series, designed for fleets ranging from business aviation to regional commercial aircraft. Like other models, these HPUs are lightweight and easy to maneuver, but they're built for higher demand operations. Plus, with CE and CSA markings, they meet global operational requirements. The C-Frame series features a 70-gallon stainless steel reservoir, desiccant air filtration, and a 150 PSI return relief valve, ensuring long-term durability and consistent pressure management. Enhanced functionality with recommended options like an electric reservoir level switch, drip pan, or a hand pump for added flexibility. Add the towing trailer package, voltage monitor, or a 100-foot input cord to fit your specific operational setup. Selecting the right hydraulic power unit is essential for efficient aircraft maintenance, and our HPU ordering instruction sheet ensures you receive the right unit tailored to your specific needs. With a variety of flow rates, pressure ranges, and all of the optional configurations, customizing your HPU for your needs is crucial for optimal performance. If you're unsure where to begin, our team of aviation specialists are here to help. Contact Pilot John International today, and we'll guide you through the selection process to ensure you get the right equipment for your operation to stay flight ready.